we've really built it from the ground up. So Tensor G2 is really the progression and the expression of what Google can do. And so we've upgraded our TPU to really make sure we can build the latest and greatest Google machine learning models, have them all run on device, and also, of course, as the cloud is necessary. And so having that progression in processor is just foundational to all these experiences. On top of that, reimagining really what a phone feels like and looks like, and having this really different, more human feeling phone is just really, really nice. And so all of that together brings you this device that really tries to be more helpful in areas like phone calling and imaging and editing, everything that you sort of want to do in your phone. And so I think that's sort of like the reason why many will love Pixels, and I personally do.
To make a watch that looked like a watch, not a piece of technology or a computer on your wrist, something that would really work with lots of different styles, lots of different reasons for your day, right? So we have a range of bands from active and comfortable to, well, they're all comfortable, but from active to modern and classic. You really can switch it up and personalize your look.